Hello everyone, welcome back in our science class. Today we are going to cover our next topic, that is from 10th grade, chapter number 4, that is carbon and its compounds. So before starting this chapter, firstly we will discuss about carbon. So carbon is just an element in a periodic table with atomic number 6, and the electronic configuration of this carbon is 2, 4. This 4 represents the valence electrons of a carbon, and these valence electrons are responsible for the tetravalency of carbon, and by using these 4 valence electrons, carbon can form covalent bond, or we can say 4 covalent bond with its own carbon atoms or with hydrogen and other heteroatoms like sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. This is the reason that carbon show catelation property also. And before continuing, firstly I will show what is this configuration means. Just to recall the topic, you have studied in your 9th grade that we have a atom with its structure having a K, L, M and so on shells. These shells are the orbits which contain electrons, and in these orbits around the nucleus electrons revolve. In case of carbon, we are having 2 and 4 number of electrons. These 2 electrons present in this K shell, and further 4 electrons are present in this L shell. And these 4 valence electrons, as they have incomplete octet, so they combine with 4 other electrons from other atoms to form covalent bond, and this covalent bond is the reason that carbon form saturated and unsaturated compounds. The saturated compounds are those compounds in which there is single bond between carbon and carbon, and in case of unsaturated compounds, carbon and carbon contain double bond and triple bond. Further, we will cover these double bond, single bond, triple bond type of carbon compounds in the different category named as hydrocarbons, and from there we study about alkane, alkene and alkynes. In this particular class, I will share what is covalent bond with you before going further. So covalent bond is basically a bond between two atoms. For example, in a simple way, if we want to show a hydrogen molecule, then we know that hydrogen is an element with atomic number 1, configuration 1. When these both hydrogens combine with each other, means they share their electron with each other, then they form a molecule as H2, where hydrogen and hydrogen have a single bond, and this bond is covalent bond. Similarly, if you can see oxygen molecule, then we have oxygen atoms with atomic number 8 and configuration 2 and 6. So we can see we have a 6 valence electrons here in case of oxygen. So oxygen needs 2 electrons to complete its octet. Therefore, this oxygen can share 2 electrons with this oxygen, and this oxygen share its 2 electrons with the neighboring oxygen. And by the sharing of these 2 electrons from oxygens, we get a molecule of oxygen with double bond oxygen. Similarly, we can have a molecule of nitrogen where nitrogen has 3 bonds. You have studied in your previous chapter, that is metal and non-metals. So this is all about the covalent bonding. So I think this is all about today's topic. In the next lecture, we will continue with this topic. See you. Have a nice day. Thank you.